Hi everybody, I'm Andreea, and in today's video I'm going to test this mask called Hanacure. So this is a mask that I've seen a lot on Instagram and a lot of people have reviewed it, but I wanted you to know my opinion about it. And actually there were a few people who were asking me about doing a review with this mask. So here I am. I heard that this mask does wonders, that tightens the pores, it's anti-aging, brightening, contouring, like it does it all. It's an all-in-one mask. Now, I'm the kind of person that really doesn't believe. It is actually why I ordered this mask, because I really wanted to see if it does what it says it does. So before I get started, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, and please click on that ring bell button. This way you will be notified every time I'm posting a new video. And if you want to see how this mask performs on my skin, what I feel about it, if it does anything for me, then please keep on watching. I have ordered this a couple of weeks ago. Now this is how it looks like. You get 4 uses of this. So you basically, from what I've read, you need to mix this serum right here with this and then seal back on, shake it, and then apply it with this brush right here. And this is an all-in-one mask. It says it's an anti-aging, clarifying, lifting, firming, brightening, contouring, pore tightening, even skin tone. So it looks like it has everything. I heard someone online that said this takes off 10 years of your face. Now, I don't want to look like I'm a baby, but you know, I'd love to have a better looking skin. We all do. So it has this corner where you need to peel, but they say don't peel it off completely because then you're gonna seal it back. So this is just like a gel. Now I'm going to take this. I have absolutely nothing on my skin right now, so no trace of makeup whatsoever. I'm just going to put this serum into the gel. Okay. All right. I'm gonna seal it back. I'm gonna hold this tight and shake it your way. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Okay, I think it's done. Now I'm gonna peel it off completely. Like, it looks like so. It looks like a gel. I'm going to take this brush and I make sure I mix again this whole thing. Oh, there's a lot of product in here, so make sure you take from this, how do you call it, not cap, lid. So I'm just going to start by applying this on the forehead. This is just like a gel so far. They say that you should make sure that you don't apply it too close to your eye area or your mouth area. As you let it dry, you should have as less movement possible on your face. So I'm not gonna talk. You could use this mask. They actually recommend to use it on your face, on your neck, and also the back of your hands. I'm only gonna use it on my face. I wanna get the most out of it. This is my problem area, right here, here, and here. I never have anything on my forehead. Okay, so this is supposed to be kept for 30 minutes. I can say that I am layering this. I did cover pretty much my whole face, but now I'm just adding more. So I guess I have enough for my neck and the back of my hands, but you know, since it's the first time, I wanted to use it only on my hand, only on my face. Now I'm just gonna wait. May fan face to increase intensity. Rinse face, neck, hands, and brush thoroughly with warm water. This mask is supposed to be used twice a week at first, and then once every 2 weeks or something like that. Now I'm just gonna use this to help it dry faster. I will be back in 5 minutes and show you exactly how it looks like in 5 minutes. I'm trying not to talk too much. So it's a very tightening and cooling effect. This is how I look after 5 minutes. I feel I can't talk much. It started to get dry around here and around my mouth. Getting back to you in 5 minutes. 7 minutes since my last update. And as you can see, it pulled my... Jesus Christ, look at my lips. Seriously? I should have applied this lower on the neck. Why didn't I do that? Such an idiot. I'll be back in 12 minutes, okay? This is how it looks like after another 12 minutes. I cannot really talk. I feel it's cracking right here. No, it's not good. I'm not gonna talk anymore. Here it's not dry, and here it's not dry. So I'm just gonna wait in here. I can't talk. I have a bowl of water right here. Oh, it feels good. Oh my god, that is tight. They said it's going to be red, but they also say that the redness is going to go away in like 1 hour, 1 hour and a half. You could absolutely use a cloth. I have a cloth right here. I guess by rubbing it with a cloth, you know, it's just going to make the redness even more obvious. So I don't want to do that. Guys, this is like something I've never tried before. I'm curious about the results. Oh, it feels good to talk again. I got so red. It better have really good results. And I recommend you doing this when you're home alone. Just don't scare your kids. Now, we Romanians, we have a word. We say there's no spring with one flower. So I don't know what to expect from just one use. Okay, I had to remove the rest of the mask in the bathroom with like a lot of water. It looks like I have no pores, I swear. And no fine lines. I mean, I think this is the kind of mask where only you would see the difference. Because nobody stays as close as this to like really judge every single thing that's on your skin. But wow, I'm very impressed with the way it looks like right now. The pores are like very smooth. Like this area, it's so smooth. It's like there are no pores. My camera died, so I had to charge the batteries. And meanwhile, I got rid of the redness. But I can tell you this. So I didn't use anything on my face. And it's already been like 30 minutes since I've taken the mask off. Everything looks very tight. But my skin looks extremely dry. Probably because I didn't use anything. So let's give it some moisture. I'm just going to go on with the normal ritual. I'm using the Serum Placenta Biologique Recherche. Looks like this. I'm just applying it on the skin like that. I'm very dry right here. I'm actually mixing two creams. I normally use the Crème Placenta from Biologique Recherche in the morning and then Crème Dermopurifiante in the night. But now I'm mixing them and I'm applying them every day like that as a mix. I take about this amount from Crème Dermopurifiante and about this amount from the Crème Placenta. Mix them. It looks like a lot, but my skin is so dry, it's going to immediately. I think I've paid $150 for the whole thing from Hanacure, but I think that about $25 or even $30, I'm not sure. It was just the transport, just the shipping. The skin looks very good. When I look in the mirror, the skin looks so good. But when I touch it, it's so dry. Like the amount of cream that I've just applied, it has been soaked into the skin so fast. Like I literally can't see my pores. And then I do have some wrinkles around here that I can normally see. They're very fine, but still I can see them. And now I can't, like, I can only see this big one right here. Oh my God. In here, I normally have not a big one, but very deep wrinkle. I wonder if this is just temporary, or it's going to be like that for like a couple of days, because it's completely gone. Like seriously, you absolutely can see a difference with this mask. But I do feel like it would be a much bigger difference if you would actually use it for a couple of times. This is definitely not the last time I'm going to use this mask. I can't wait to actually give it to my mom and see what she feels about it, because you know she's 58, so she does have some wrinkles, and I'm sure it's going to be a different experience for her. Did you guys try this mask? Did you see a huge difference on you? You know, when you first take it off, I always touch my face, and I didn't see any like smoothing situation or anything like that when I touched it. But when looking in the mirror, it is a difference, which usually doesn't really happen from the first application. And if there's anybody in here who used it more than once, I would really like to know your opinion about it. Guys, if you have any other product that you would want me to test, like mask or skincare, I would really love to do that. So please comment in the section down below and let me know what is it that you would want me to test. And also if you could like this kind of videos, because I don't do reviews too much. For some reason on my channel, I don't see you being very interested in me doing reviews. You're more like into show us how to do the makeup, please. Just leave the reviews for Tati. I'm just kidding. Even I watch her. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I'm very active, especially on Instagram stories. So let's become friends on Instagram. But you could also find me on Snapchat and Facebook. And for 2018, I thought I should commit to a schedule that I've actually started somewhere in October, mid-October, and that is posting videos every Tuesday and every Friday. So every Tuesday and every Friday you're going to expect me posting a video. And now that I said it, I have to commit to it. I was just reading this thing that, you know, it helps you. If you have a goal, it helps you when you actually share your goal with people, because then you're like, damn, now I said it, I really have to do it. You tell me what you would like from me in 2018. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, and click on that notification button. This way you will be notified Tuesdays and Fridays when I'm gonna post a new video. So that is said. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Can that mask make this guy here disappear? I'm bloated. Could you just please go outside and punch this lady that is walking like that? You kind of have to cook now, it's your turn. We should name it. I think you need to brush your teeth or something. I just don't like the way you smell. You love me. You grumpy little cat. And I love you too. Those pigeons.